There are three things I want you to know. You are here to know who you are. You are a divinely powerful spiritual being, here to give your heart to the world in the highest, unique, divine expression. You are pure potential. The second thing I want you to know is you're here to dream the greatest dream for your life. You need a vision to live into. Universal law only responds with a yes, but if you don't give it an intention, you'll find yourself lost. There is one contingency for your dream. It must serve the highest good. You must create harmony and serve the world. And number three, you're going to have to release all attachment of the earthly world, and you're going to have to no longer hand your power over to anything or anyone of this world. This will be your greatest test, but I'm here to hold your hand as we walk through the walls of fire for you to truly become the woman or man that you've always desired to be somebody who is untouchable, unshakable, and truly the divine of who you are. Welcome to the Dr. Erin podcast. This is a top spiritual psychology coach podcast to inspire and teach you how to transform your trauma, birth your soul's purpose, and manifest your dreams. Hi, I'm Dr. Erin, Doctor of Divinity. I'm committed to bringing you the best coaching tips, spiritual advice, trauma healing, and metaphysical recovery secrets. I'm here to help you monetize your spiritual gifts and love your life. I want you to know that I've been exactly where you are, and I believe in you. Together, we're awakening the world. Well, today is a special day. It is 11/11. And today I want to share with you something really special and near and dear to my heart, which is universal laws. So today, my book on Spiritual Awakening, A Year of Universal Law comes out. And I'm very excited because years back when I'd had my spiritual awakening, I still did not understand how the dynamics of this 3D realm worked. And so today I'm going to read you part of the excerpts from the very beginning of the book. I'm super excited to take this journey with you. If you have a girlfriend, a friend, somebody that you'd love to take your spiritual awakening together with, you want to share this podcast so we can dive deep into really liberating you to know how to manifest and demonstrate what you want in this lifetime. Let's do this thing. Introduction. You are one with everything. The power within you is the same power that created the entire universe. From a spiritual perspective, you are consciousness, source, love, creator, and yes, I'm going to say it, God. You are not a divided individual. You are divine. How does this omnipotent source experience more of itself? By experiencing infinite inverted fractal creations of itself. This 3D human experience is a divine game of hide and seek. The paradox is that the source that created the entire game is you. You are one with everything. At your core is the source that created all of life for the expanding relative experience of itself, the construct of energy, vibration, and frequency. In the beginning was word, light and dark, heaven and earth. At first, there weren't things, just elements. In order to create, there had to be order. Imagine if there was no order in the universe. There would be particles flying every direction. You would not be able to create anything, and you'd not be able to experience the depths of your soul in form. The creative process is how you create. The unfoldment of thought through universal law into form. Universal laws are the way that you create and manifest. All of life is your canvas to express more of yourself, every material thing, and all experiences are first created in consciousness and then manifested through universal law. So I'm really excited to share this with you today, you guys. This book is something that has been in consciousness and being created for many, many years as I began to get developed as a doctor of divinity, understanding that you are consciousness, individual consciousness, collective consciousness, and cosmic consciousness. The moment that you consider yourself to be anything other than source, you set universal law into motion. You are divine. And so I'm just going to read a little bit more, and just knowing today as a community, as a family, we get our mind right every single week. And if you are listening to this podcast, it's because you are part of my family, my spiritual soul family. And each week we recognize how important it is to align to our unity so that we can live in peace and be able to manifest from a high frequency, recognizing also the beauty of the suffering and the trauma as well. So here we go. Universal law. The universe works in direct response to your identity and beliefs. In this relative universe, you are able to create both harmony and chaos, order and disorder, love and hate, expression and fear, life and death. You can either create in accordance or discordance with universal law. The universe is listening to you right now. No words need to be spoken. It listens through energy, vibration, and frequency. It hears your heart, your beliefs, your feelings. It communicates with you 24/7, 365 days a year, every second for all of eternity, because it is you. You are a creator, a magnificent and connected life source and force. Individually, you are a unique divine expression. The universe is taking your order. What would you like to have? What would you like to experience? What would you like to be? But beware, as the universe does not know the future from the past, it does not know the difference between rich and poor, smart or foolish, charismatic or dull. It does not know good from evil or right or wrong. It is neutral, focused on the here and now, and always responds with a yes. The universe is working 100% of the time. It does not play favorites. It is the same divine nature in every person and instantaneously works in direct relationship to your identity and your beliefs. Self-contemplation sets polarity into motion via universal law. The moment that you identify yourself to be anything other than the I am presence, you set universal law in motion. Your identity creates your beliefs, and your beliefs create your thoughts creates your feelings, and your feelings create the emotions, and your emotions create the point of view and the circumstances of your life with total precision. This is the cause and effect mechanism of universal law. May you remember who you are, set yourself free, and create beautiful divine game that makes an impact in the world. May you become a world-renowned spiritual leader. And so going one step further with a final excerpt from this amazing new book that I'm so excited to birth to the world. What is universal law? Universal laws are the way we manifest. They are the axioms of life. Universal laws are the modes of operation of the creative process of life, which is the unfoldment of thought through universal laws into physical form. Universal laws work as a triune nature, spirit, soul, and body. Universal laws are informed and directed by spirit, aka your higher self or pure consciousness, which is the first cause of all creation. Universal laws are the way energy is formed into physical existence. Universal laws are the principles and physics of how we manifest and demonstrate. Universal laws are how the absolute is fractalized into the relative. Universal laws work without exception, equally and impersonally. When you create in accordance with universal laws, you experience your divine power. The extent to which you invert your use of energy and universal laws is the degree to which you will be experiencing feeling powerless. Consciousness informs universal law through the soul and subjective mind, and in turn informs universal law and energy into the physical realm. The extent to which you align with universal law or resist it is the extent to which you will experience being powerful. You can align with universal law and create heaven, or you can invert universal law and create hell. So in this book, I'm going to teach you how to manifest using universal law. Are you creating scarcity or abundance? Are you creating hate or love? Are you creating division or unity? Are you creating harmony or chaos? Are you creating dis-ease or vitality? Are you creating self-expression or living in fear? I'm going to break down everything of how to use this book, how the 52 universal law distinctions are going to help you an entire year long. And every single week in my community, we will be going off the week of the year and referring to universal law. So this book is going to really help you break down with a beautiful art as well. And it's going to teach you actually how to have ceremony with universal law, how to begin to have daily readings for yourself, align, be able to speak into your subconscious mind, which is one with universal law. I'm going to teach you how to do spiritual mind treatment, breaking down absolutely using your mind to direct upon universal law for specific demonstration and manifestation. What are you ready to heal? Who are you ready to become? What limitations are you ready to let go of? What are you ready to embody? Where are you ready to be set free? And so in this is a 52 different series of universal law for you to use this every single week of the year to get your mind right. You can use this in your meditation practice place and be able to be inspired. You're going to learn how to awaken the oracle within, and you're also going to have journal and action prompts to align with your heart's purest desire. And so today, as 11/11 is such an important day, 22 is my favorite number as well. So it couldn't be a more profound day to give yourself a gift and align so that we can take our lives to the next level together as a community, as a family. And so in this, taking a deep breath in through the nose, recognizing the spiritual awakening is really the remembrance of thyself, knowing that I am, recognizing that I am law, I am love and law, all is one. Knowing that my heart really leads the way, that the intelligence knows always what is mine to do. And in this, I know that you have a divine soul's purpose. And as you align with universal law, awakening more and more into the depths of your soul and being able to turn on your intuition and your abilities to communicate with the cosmos, to communicate with the collective, to communicate with every single person, recognizing all relationships are eternal and that there's only life, and that we're here to experience the depths of our soul in form, and the greatest product to produce is you. And so in this, I'm knowing great power, that the recognition of the power that you always are, you've always been, and you are right now is what is actually restores the power. It's just in consciousness. And when we recognize our power, we are unstoppable. We are unlimited. We are pure potential. And so today I say yes to this incredible book. Yes to birthing our voice and our message to the world. Yes, for all the leaders that came before that taught me. Yes, for the divine within that's always been my greatest partner, the I am that I am. And so I just say thank you, thank you, thank you for being used for the highest good. Thank you for understanding universal law that has actually totally liberated my soul. I say yes to this. I say yes to life. I say yes to absolutely knowing our spiritual truth and being liberated and being able to help others and impacting and awakening 1 billion people together by developing world-renowned spiritual leaders, you. And in this, I say, thank you, thank you, thank you. As together we say, and so it is. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed those excerpts from the beginning of this book. You can grab this book on all Amazons across and everywhere you can grab books. I'm so honored knowing that books write us, they develop us. And in this, I'm so excited. So go ahead and you can click the links below. You can grab it across all Amazon and other platforms. We'd grab a book. Okay. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Bring this book every week to the podcast, and we can refer to every universal law each week, being able to embody it, use it, and take our lives to the next level. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Also, you can grab your free 52 universal law lessons with this as well, and that's in the link below as well. Thank you for tuning into the Dr. Erin podcast. If you're ready to reprogram your subconscious mind, transform your trauma, and birth your soul's calling, or if you're ready to become an accredited certified spiritual psychology coach and E4 trauma method facilitator and get trained in spiritual psychology, universal law, intergenerational trauma work, past life regression work, metaphysics of mind, and so much more, go to soulciety.com or drerin.tv. If you're receiving value from the show, I would love it if you share it with a friend and give it a 5-star review. Also, you can join me in one of my live free trainings. You can find it right on the website as well, or in my bio link across all social media. I'm drerin.tv across all platforms. DRERIN.tv. Have a beautiful day, and may you live your truth.